behalf of the Filipino people. Can I do that? I'm representing the 100 million Filipino minus 300. I would like to thank you and appreciate you for your outstanding work. But you had the chance to quit. No pressure. And they're the ones paying me, so she's my boss. So before I leave you, and this is my final slides, can I make a prediction for you? Kasi fortune teller din ko ko. Gusto ko baka talagang PF sa akin ng hula ko. So mamaya ako sa likuran, libreng hula. Pag 50 lang binigay sa akin, napakadilim ng iyong ginagawa. Magbigay ka ng 500, lumiliwanag na. So here's my prediction for you. Parang may matabawit kang bigat. Region 9. Here's my prediction for your future, Malagos. 10 years from now, you're not dead. You may be laughing at the idea, but I know I'm right. But here's the thing, whether you like it or not, 10 years will come. Masaya na kayo sa trabaho ng DLG or hindi pa rin kayo masaya, 10 years will come. Masunduin nyo na nakaupo, hindi pa nyo masunduin nakaupo, 10 years will come. Nakita nyo na yung mga bagay na gusto nyo gawin, hindi nyo nakita yung mga bagay na gusto nyo gawin, 10 years will come. Because whether you like it or not, hanggang buo pang mundo, 10 years will come. But here's the thing, if 10 years will come, tatanungin nyo yan, and if you're intelligent enough, ngayon pa lang tatanungin nyo na sa sarili nyo, if I'm still alive, therefore not yet dead in 10 years, what is my world going to be? I hope I can answer that question for you, but you did not pay me for doing that. I always believe that your future is right there in your hands. So I would like you to take a look at your hands now. Take a look at your hands, please. See, it's dirty. Therefore, I conclude that your future is dirty. You can start cleaning it up now. I told you one thing about the future when I started, and let me add one more thing to that. That your future depends more on what you do to yourself than what the world does. When I started, I told you that you have the power to write your own life story. Did I not? Yes. Kung hindi niyo po gusto ang takbo ng story ng buhay niyo ngayon, I'm here to tell you that you have the power to rewrite your life story and show you how it's going. So finally, before I leave, I don't want to leave. Can you stay? Here are the 3 most important choices I made in my entire life. Probably, hopefully, can help you prepare your personal wellness. And what's my topic? Development. Connect na lang. Matatalino naman kayo, so connect na lang. Yung hindi matalino, humingi ng tulong. Kilala niyo naman kung ano kayo, diba? Iba ba yung pride na yan? Here's the 3 most important choices I made in my entire life. Before I go, I would like to tell you, when I stop between choosing to be happy or to be kind, choose to be kind. Happy people are always kind, but kind people are genuinely happy. So be kind to one another. Number 2. When stuck between choosing to have hope or to have faith, choose to have faith. Hope waits for a defining moment to come when your faith has already defined it. Keep the faith.